What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there's Nate. Right over there's Ethan. And right over there is...
the Bronco.
Oh, that's what I was talking about. Today, I'm going to show you guys this beautiful new beast. The Bronco with the smoker cabinet unit. This is absolutely a boss of a unit that Blackstone has made. So today, I'm going to get this sucker all seasoned up. Now, this is the 28XL unit that's attached to this smoker. It's not going to be any different than any of the other seasonings that we've done in the past. Basically, you want to get it cranked up to as hot as it possibly can go. You want to see smoke even before you start doing anything.
Please disperse! Nothing to see here, please!
Now, as you start to see that color start to change, that's when we're going to start adding our seasoning and conditioner. If you don't have this, that's fine. Use an oil that you're cooking with. But today, the seasoning and conditioner is a rock star. So we're gonna start adding small, light layers. Get a light spoonful, add that down, spread it out. Quite a spoonful of sugar.
Why a spoon, cousin?
It helps the medicine go down and season your Blackstone. Surprised you didn't know that.
You twit!
Now, the key is you don't want pools, you don't want puddles. You want a thin layer, and then you're gonna let it smoke off. Don't forget, you wanna go to the sides, you wanna go to the edges, on the front edge, the lip, on the back of it. Literally all of that metal needs to be covered in the seasoning and conditioner. All the crannies, all the nooks.
Buy me a drink first.
We're gonna do 3 or 4 times here, and every single layer you let it smoke and burn off. Don't get all antsy and jump back in there and get all excited. Let it burn off. It needs to do its science, its magic, its polymerization, right?
You nailed it.
Now, what can I say?
Schmert.
So, SMRT.
Woohoo! I'm a college man! I won't need my high school diploma anymore!
Gander at that beauty. Now, you're gonna notice in the corners, it's not all black yet. That's fine. Give it some time with your cooks. It's gonna season itself as you get on there and start making some delicious food.
Like make cheesesteaks first. The pepper
Oh,
onions,
yeah.
Do some magic.
The onions technique is a really, really great one. Today we didn't do that. I didn't have any onions on set.
You know, not everybody like onions. Cake! Everybody loves cakes!
No, just something where it kind of covers the entire griddle. That's kind of key. Either way, this is a super simple process. It's kind of scary for some people because they think, I don't know, they're gonna mess it up. But it's hard to mess up. Unless you do the pools of, don't do that. Then
You're good.
you've already found yourself here on our YouTube channel. Be sure to check out all the other shows. We've got a show for everybody. We got Todd, Betty, Hussey, me, Nate, sort of-ish. Honestly, we've got something for everybody. My show is obviously the best. You're here watching this.
Is it though?
Probably not. But it is the funnest.
Is it though?
Dang it, I don't know if it is. Be sure to check out all the shows. Go to blackstoneproducts.com for all kinds of recipes and all other things that are beautiful in Blackstone. In the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show where we typically cook.
We typically quote.
And
Did you guys take quote this episode?
Oh, a little bit.
Oh, a little
A
bit.
little bit.
So we shall bring it, and because that is what we do. Till the next seasoning video.
Here's big guy.
Whoa. Later, guys.
How many are at a time here?
Bye.